before the beginning, small introduction.
Yeah, English.
Okay, this is Prince. I'm back again in Vatican. You know what I'm saying? So, like you see now, this is the Vatican garden.
Yes.
Bro, you put the latest shower in this.
No, sag in English.
Yeah, exactly. This is the Vatican garden. As you can see, the other side is very far, not that far, but everything is up together. So sometimes when the Pope wants to take a walk around, he can't come here because of there are a lot of people around.
Yes.
Because of the reception.
Yes.
So he used to walk around in the other side of the garden. We are inside the Pope Palace now. So this is the garden. This is the Pope garden all around.
Observatorium astronomische.
Yeah, okay. That in that place that you see now is the Salvatorium.
Radio, wireless.
And this white building you see there,
yes.
That is the radio
television
station,
yes.
postal, and all that. You know what I'm talking about?
It's a church.
And that is St. Peter St. Paul. You saw it before in my previous documentary. Whoa.
Museum.
Museum?
Ist ever Palais, Papstpalais.
Palais, yeah.
Ist ever Papstpalais.
I know.
Priests will prepare for liturgy that will be on the other side, okay? So you won't be able to see only that, while the priests, the Pope, including the Pope, will be facing this. Christ, surrounded with angels, and St. Peter, okay? So you have the crucifixion of St. Peter upside down and the beheading of St. Paul. So when we celebrate the feast of the city of Rome, June the 29th, it's the feast of St. Peter and Paul. That's why you have the Martyr cross upside down.
It really was upside down.
Yes, because he set out working to be crucified by Jesus. When he was killed at the time of year, they remember when he was killed. So he was crucified upside down. He said, not anymore. Usually we don't included the crucifixion, normal crucifixion. He wanted to be crucified upside down. What was beheaded? So what we have in Rome is the famous church of St. Paul as well. St. Paul outside the walls. You go there with your natural face. It's even more interesting than the city. So if you want to make a nice, visit to those holy shrines, no, we're not supposed to go to say, come just to see Peter, but we worship the same level,
Aber du hast nicht gefilmt.
Ja.
So you can see what you see now. This is kind of mosaic.
Nein,
It's a normal male.
Picture.
It's
Yes.
just pictures, okay. Yeah, like this picture you see now is a picture of St. Peter's being crucified upside down. Well, because when they want to crucify him, he said no, that it's not like the master, so he can never be, he would not be crucified in the cross like Jesus died. So he asked them, okay, you want to crucify me, turn me upside down. So that's what you are seeing now. This is St. Peter's in the cross, but turning upside down from the back, because he doesn't want to be crucified like the Savior. So, machst du?
Hier ist ein Reichtum ohne Ende. Du kannst nicht...
Seal, oder?
Yes.
This is the seal, the Pope seal, the seal of Vatican. Very beautiful. You'll be seeing it in picture from
Ja, Maria Kronung. Maria Kronung, yes.
Oh, this is Kronung from Maria. This that was me as. So we're still in the Vatican Museum. So I hope you've seen a lot of iconic pictures. We are still moving around in the museum. So still walking around, seeing a lot of Arctic pictures and all that.
St. Nicholas.
This is ein Papst.
Nein, St. Nicholas.
St. Nicholas,
Und verschiedene Märtyrer.
Okay. This is St. Nicholas.
St. Demeter, St. Cecilia, St. Christopher, St. Peter. Das ist Apostel.
So this picture you are seeing the picture of all the saints. Yeah, this is a picture of Fatima Estema when he's pregnant.
Nee.
Must we brown of trouble? Yeah, this is me. I'm standing by the picture of the Virgin Mary in heaven with all the angels and all the saints with her. As you can see, this is beautiful. This is the impression of heaven. You know what I'm saying? This is Ave Maria,
Signore con te.
Tu sei benedetta fra le donne e benedetto è frutto di tuo Signore Gesù. Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen.
Amen. Bravo. Geht so. Aber die schönste ist hier. Hier ist
Okay.
Leonardo da Vinci.
You can see this is the picture of our Christ. This is the Last Supper.
Yeah.
And the Last Supper, you know, was from this Mala, Leonardo da Vinci.
In Teppich.
In Teppich, in carpet.
Carpets.
Yeah, or like a rug, you know.
Yes.
This is just a picture of Christ of the Last Supper. In Teppich.
All this.
In English, it's
all this.
everything is just like in a rug, you know.
Yes.
Rug, Teppich, carpet.
Yes.
What is rug?
Yes.
You can see this is the other picture we see before from Raphael of Christ.
Transfiguration.
Transfiguration. Yeah, we've seen this transfiguration before in my previous documentary, and this transfiguration was in mosaic. So this is the original. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, the natural one. So this is Vatican Museum. We've been in the museum. You've seen a lot of pictures. I think we cannot just finish everything in the Vatican Museum for one day. We still have a lot to talk about. We still have a lot
Hier
to
ist
see.
Raphael,
Yeah.
Marien Himmelfahrt.
Okay, and this is also from Raphael. Raphael was the Mala, and this is the
Virgin
ascending of Virgin Mary into heaven.
After the Tod, no?
Yeah, after her death.
Reist
Yes.
and in Himmel, in
so
heaven,
yeah, that's
Coronation. So ist Mary.
Ja, so ist Mary.
Ja,
Okay.
wir haben im Himmel nur Jesus, Maria,
Maria.
und Elia und Enoch. Vier Körper.
Ja.
Alle
From
sind
Eden.
Geister, aber nur sie sind mit Gott,
Mit
Gott gegangen.
Yeah. You
Nur
see this?
4 in Heaven.
Jesus,
Mary,
the
the two prophets,
the two prophets,
Elia and Enoch,
Enoch.
from Alte
The now
Testament.
Alte Testament. Yeah, this was the year of Virgin Mary to heaven, like you already hear from the Father Lino. We have 4 people in heaven that ascended with their body and everything. First is Jesus, Mary, Elijah,
Yes, Elia and Enoch.
and Enoch. Yeah, those are the
English.
Okay. Okay, like you've seen this picture again, picture of the Virgin Mary ascending to heaven. So this was her tomb. After her death, she was in the tomb, and you can see the down picture.
Yes.
A lot of people came to open the tomb and pay their last respect to Mary. But when they opened the tomb, they were surprised her body was no longer in the tomb. And when they wash up, and when they look up, she was ascending into heaven. This is just the real picture. Her tomb, people were thinking that she stayed inside,
Yeah.
but before you know it, her body was no longer there. Then she was ascending into heaven.
Yes.
And she's been coronated in heaven.
Ever Raphael.
It's ever, yeah.
Hieronym. Sankt Hieronym.
Was für eine Bilder ist das?
Sankt Hieronym ist ein von Leonardo.
Okay.
Non abbiamo il carrello, giusto?
Speak.
No. As you can see, before anything, let me stand on this picture. Immer wenn ich komme, Patriot kommt, die Braut drauf. This is the picture of Mary ascending also unto heaven. This was her tomb, and that is the upper picture you see, she's been coronated in heaven. So what happened? When the apostle came to pay their last respect to her body, they opened the tomb and they found nothing in the tomb but flowers. It was flower that was in the tomb. And when they washed, she's already ascending into heaven. This is another part of the picture of Mary ascending to heaven. They came to open her tomb and pay their last respect, but what they see is beautiful flowers.
Yes.
The next thing you see, ascending
Giulio
into
Romano.
heaven.
Giulio Romano.
That is nice.
Georg.
George.
George.
St. George or the...
St. George, St. George.
Okay, this is St. George.
Yeah, St. George.
And you can see this is the picture of St. George.
Yes.
And the impression of this picture is
Yes.
he blew
The devil,
down
the
head of
devil.
the devil. I know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. You see, you can see with. I still show the name. Bleibst du.
Yeah.
Must do. This is this picture you see now. This is the picture of Elena.
Yeah.
Elena, you know, she is the mother of Constantine.
Yeah.
Constantine, I think, was emperor then. So in her dream, like you can see in this picture now,
Yes.
she's having a dream, relaxing.
Yes.
What did she find out in her dream? I'll let you know that now. So in her dream, she was wondering about, nobody really know what she was thinking about, but all of a sudden, it comes to her that, yes, the cross of Jesus Christ. This cross was in this earth, but where exactly? In her dream or in her vision, it was revealed to her that she had to go to Jerusalem. And when she went to Jerusalem, in her dream, it was revealed to her that when you get to Jerusalem, go to a place like this.
Yes.
And she went directly to the place that she dreamed about. And when she got there, with the archaeology and all that, they were able to find the cross of Jesus Christ. You understand? Like the cross now is still in Rome as I am speaking now. And a tile, that's a part of the cross, was found. And the people later asked her, how did you come about all those things? She said, yeah, in my dream, Christ revealed to me where the cross is in Jerusalem, that I have to go to this place. And that is how I was able to locate it. So you can see, this was the impression she was having when this revelation came to her. Oh, lovely.
Good.
Yes, that's nice. So one more
August in Rom. Schnee, es schneit in Rom in 5 August in plein Sommer. Verstehst du?
Ja?
Sommer.
Wer ist das? Santa Maria Maggiore.
Santa Maria, the Virgin Mary.
Okay.
The Virgin Mary in andere Mirakel, fantastische Mirakel.
Ja, in August.
Ja, in August, ein Schnee.
Aber wo war?
In Rom. Wo ist heute Santa Maria Maggiore?
Ah, so. Yeah, like what you see now, we are still in the Vatican Museum. This is the picture. I will tell you something about this picture.
Yes.
Yeah, so this picture, really, what happened? This was the Pope.
Yes. Liberius.
This is Pope Liberius. Before then, we have a vision, a thinking. I want to build a church for Mary. But which direction or which place can this church be built? But he was having that feeling for a long time. But what really happened in the middle of August, in which year was that?
343. 343.
Okay, this happened in the year 343.
Yeah.
You understand? So what really happened there? In August, everybody know what August is.
Yes.
That August is always hot and it's summertime.
Yeah.
But what happened? Snow dropped
Only.
in August, only in this direction. And this direction you see in the picture now, we will tell you about it later in reality when we go to the church of Mary Maggiore.
Yes.
Maggiore. That is the biggest church for Mary. So after everything, to cut this long story short, the Pope went and see really that it was snow in August. So what happened? Yes, I have been thinking, where can I build this church for Mary? And in the dream, it was revealed to him, the place where you see the snow, that is the place that you are going to build my church. This was a revelation that he later got from Mary. So that is why I talk about that church later in my previous, I think I spoke about that church, Mary Magdalene Maggiore, in my first episode. I believe it was in the first episode. So we'll never say a lot about that church. So from this picture now, I can give you a lot of impression about that church. So that church was built exactly where the snow is, the church of St. Mary Maggiore. So it was really, it's a miracle, you know, to see snow in the middle of August.
Yes.
Just to give him, this is the revelation of where my church should be built. Wow, this is the Pope. When the Pope came, he really wanted to see if it is really snow. And he did it, it was snow. That was nice. And this is me with a picture of the revelation of the Pope where the Church of Mary Magdalene will be built. So later I'm going to tell you about the Caesar of Mary Magdalene Maggiore. Yes, we are still in Vatican Museum. We cannot finish everything for one day. In the subsequent episode, you're going to see a lot of artistic impression, design, story, pictures of 2,000 years ago, 3,000 years ago, 4,000 years ago. Who is the movie? This is Vatican Museum. Yeah. This is Vatican Museum, you know what I'm saying? We are still in Vatican.
Yes. Das Thomas. Thomas.
Unglaublich, oder?
Ja, unglaublich.
This is Thomas.
Ja. Und dieses Christus no? Reist, no? Vom Tod.
Ja, this is Thomas.
Hat eine fantastische Vision gehabt. Sehr schöne und sehr reiche Vision. Das ist Mola.
This is St. Bruno.
Yes.
With the vision of heaven.
Ja, Heaven und Engel. Und
The angel.
so eine große Glück gehabt hat.
Okay. After that,
Grande Mist. Fruit. Es scheint Leben, life.
life, yes.
Yes?
Yeah. You can see this is a picture of life, like you can see the fruits and the flower, natural. That is the earth, you know exactly about. Yeah, you can find everything in the Vatican Museum.
It's fantastic.
There is a lot.
Yes.
Everything I've seen, we can really not put everything in the film. There are a lot of things that I have seen with my eyes, but they are not in this film right now. Later we're going to see all these things.
Siehst du? Es scheint wahrlich. Es scheint wahrlich. Mutter Gottes. Das ist König von England. Ist englische Malerei. Die Engländer haben nicht so viele Maler. Sehr wenig. Aber ist gut.
The king from England?
Yeah. Sagst du in Englisch?
Yes. This is the Orthodox Church.
Yes.
Inside the Vatican Museum. Yes. This is the Orthodox Church that you can see all the icon. You can see Mary Magdalene with baby Jesus. Jesus is the door.
Yes.
And
Imperial Pforte door, Imperial König door.
yeah, this is the king door, Imperial door.
Diakonal door.
And this side of it is the
Priester door.
diaconate
Doch
door.
jeder hat seine Pforte.
Then first, yeah, okay.
Für Jesus.
Ja.
Und Jesus, der Altarsakrament ist after. Ist, no?
Yeah.
Ist nach.
Now, after.
Und siehst du diese Ikone? Alle Heiligen hinein. Alle Heiligen, sagst du.
This is the picture. You see all the saints. There are so many that you cannot even start
Ganze
mentioning their name
Kalender.
now.
Ganze Kalender.
Yes. Nice. All the icons with Jesus, Mary Magdalene, all the beautiful icons. We still need another time and another day to come to Vatican Museum and show you a lot of things that we cannot imagine. No, splendid.
Darum Vatikan ist geliebt und auch gehasst.
Ja,
Weil es zu schön, fantastisch.
Ja.
Übersetze du das.
Ja.
Darum Vatikan ist so geliebt und so gehasst.
Ja.
Weil es zu schön,
Exactly.
ist zu reich.
Yeah,
Sage
that is
du.
why the Vatican
Yeah.
is so loved
Yeah.
and hated by some people because of its richness,
It's schön.
splendor, beauty, and everything. Yeah,
Das ist envy.
that is life, Padre. Life goes on.
ist envy.
There must be envy and there must be love, likeness.
Yeah.
The two goes together. Yes, that's life. Life is like that. Likeness. Yes. These are one of the beauties that make the Vatican a Vatican. Yes.
Hier diese kleine, so klein.
Das kleine, aber es ist schon, wow, wunderbar.
Ganz Himmel, ganze Erde, ganze Gericht und auch Hölle ist hier.
Ist hier.
Siehst du?
Alle.
Siehst du die Devil,
Die Devil.
die Engel, Gott, das
Exactly.
alles ist hier.
Just take a good impression about this picture. You can see God in heaven, the angels, the devil, the criminals, the thieves. Everybody is here. It's impressive. It's very impressive.
Yes.
Yeah, the hell, the heaven.
Der
Yeah.
Film ist schön.
Sehr schön. Wow, das ist impressive.
Ja, kommen wir hier. Das ist Christi Leben. Christi Leben.
Ja.
Verstehen
Ja.
Szenen von Christi Leben.
Christi Leben, yeah.
Jesus
Just some
Christ.
part of the life of
Und das
Christ.
ist der Life von Heiligen in der Wüste, im Desert, in Jerusalem.
Ja.
Ja, dieser Simeon ist 40 Jahre auf ein Palo gelebt, so,
Ja?
ohne und helfen ihm mit Wasser,
Mit Wasser.
und Brot.
Aber er will nicht mehr auf die Erde laufen.
Nie.
Wie heißt er nochmal?
Ja.
Wie heißt
Simeon.
Ach so, Simeon.
Simeon.
Aber war dieser Simeon ein Apostel von Christ?
In Ägypten.
Ach so, ich
Nein, Apostel.
Ach so.
Er ist ein Pater von Desert in Ägypten und Jerusalem.
Okay. This is Simeon
Simeon.
in Egypt
Ja, in Ägypten.
and also in Jerusalem.
Hat so eine kleine Palo, aber nicht so schön wie diese,
Yeah.
gelebt für 40 Jahre.
So, like what you see, the Simeon
So.
lived in this,
Ja.
I don't know what to call it now, like a palo, like a
wie ein Albero, wie ein
yeah, sure. He lived in this place for 50 years. So people will come and give him water to drink, give him food to eat, because he never want to walk on the earth again. That's why he now went and hung himself in this very place that you are seeing now. For 50 years, he lived exactly just like that. Ohne Dusche,
Ohne nichts.
Okay. Ja, wow.
Nur für Gott.
Ja, genau. Er hat gut gemacht. Yeah. Aber später, er war ein Engel.
Nein, wie ein
Wie ein
Er ist
Engel.
ein Mann.
Ja, er ist ein Mann.
Der letzte Prophet, sagen wir in Englisch.
Yeah, this is John the Baptist. Everybody knows John the Baptist. He was the one that baptized Jesus, and he was the one that the King Herod spearheaded when he said the daughter,
Here.
when the
Here
daughter
is-
needed a birthday present.
Ja, hier
Could you
ist.
imagine what the daughter asked for? She said she needed the head of John the Baptist. Devil. And that was how.